Hi everyone, welcome to My Max Academy. In this video, we will learn how to find square root of a number by using division method. Now, how to find square root of a number using division method. So we have two methods to find the square root of a number. One is prime factorization method, the other one is division method. And in this video, we will learn how to find square root of a number using division method. So let's take the first question. We need to find the square root of then this number, find the square root of 576. We'll find the square root of the number 576, right? So which means we will have to find using division methods. Let's write the number 576. Now to find the square root of this number using division method, first step is we must start pairing this number from right to left as two numbers. So take these two numbers, 6 and 7, 76. This is one pair. Like that, we should start pairing two numbers from right side to left side. In this direction, we should go. Like in this direction, we should start pairing. Right here, we have only 3 digits. So the first two will be one pair. Then this is only one number, that is okay. The last could be either one number or two number, right, depending on the total number of digits. So if it is 3, then if I start pairing like this, from this to this direction, these two numbers are paired. Then there is only one number, so I put a comma here. So which means these two are paired. Right? Once the pairing is done, then we will start telling our square table. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. And 9 is exceeding 5. So we cannot take 3 into 3. We have to go the number before 3, which is 2. So 2 into 2, 4. So we have to put 2 into 2, 4. Then we must subtract 5 minus 4 is 1. Then we should bring the entire 76 together down. Don't bring one by one. Both together. 7 and 6. 76 will come down. Then whatever number is here, we must multiply this number with 2. Whatever number is here. Since we have a 2, then 2 into 2. Suppose if it is 3, then we should do 3 into 2. If it is 4, then we should do 4 into 2. So whatever is number here, you have to double that number. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So write that 4 here. Then what we should do is, after taking this 4, I'll write this 4 here. Then we should find 40 into 0. We have to put 0 into 0. So this is your 4. This is the 4 that we got from here. Then 40 into 0 is 0. Then next we will check the number, will be 41 into 1. Not 40 into 1. First is 40 into 0. So these two numbers should match. 1, 1. 40 into 1. 41 into 1. Sorry, 41 into 1, which is 41. Then we should try 42 into 2. So we should keep trying numbers till you get 176. So this is a perfect square, which means you will get a perfect answer. It's not necessary that all the numbers will be a perfect square of some number. So this is a perfect square. So we will get a perfect answer here, which means the remainder will become 0. So now we'll try 42 into 2. What is 42 into 2? 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 84. But this is 176. Next we should go to the next number, which is 43 into 3. Right? So you have to be careful. So these two should be same. And this 4 is coming from here. And how did we get this 4? Whatever is the number here, you multiply that with 2, you get 4. Then once you get the 4, we should put 40 into 0, 0, 41 into 1, 42 into 2, 43 into 3. How much is that? 9. 3 4s are 12. But we should get 176. Let's try 44 into 4. Right? 4 4s are 16. 1, 16 plus 1, 17. So we got 176. How many times? 4 times. 44 into 4. So you have to put this 4 and then 4 here. Then 44 into 4 is 176. So which is 0. The remainder is 0. Therefore, the square root of 576 is equal to this value, which is 24. This is 24. So this is how we find the square root of a number using division method. Right? So this is one problem. We'll do some more problems. Problem number 2. Problem number 2 is we have to find the square root of the number 5184. What is the value of square root of 5184? Right? And again, to find the square root of this number using division method, so we will start writing that division here. So I'll put the division here. So 5184. This is the number. Now what we should do, we should start pairing two numbers from right to left. So from this direction, this is the arrow. See, in this direction, from right to left. This is your right side, this is your left side. From right to left, we should start pairing in this direction. So if I start pairing this, these two will be one pair. Again, these two is another pair. These two is, so this from here, we should, so these two are one pair, these two is another pair. So we have, paired the numbers as 2, 2. Then we have to, now we have 51. Now we should start telling our square table. 0 into 0, 0. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64. 64 is exceeding 51. So we cannot put a number which is greater than 51. So which means we should go to the number prior to 8, which is 7. 7 square, which is 7 into 7 is what? 49. So we should put 7 into 7 is 49. Right? Because 8, if you go to the next number, then it will become 8 into 8 will become 64, which will be more than 51. So we have to put the number, the square number, which is less than 51. Right? So now, if you divide, if you subtract 51 minus 49 is 2, then this 84 will come down together. 84 will come together. Now what we should do is, we should multiply, I told you, whatever number is here, we should multiply by 2. So 7 is here, so 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14, you have to write that 14 here. So whatever the number, so here we wrote 4, this 4. How did this 4 come? 2 into 2, 4. So similarly here 7 times 2 is 14. Always whatever number is here, that into 2. So 14. Now once you get this 14, write that 14 here, 14. Then we should do 0 into 0, which means 140 into 0, 0. Then 114, then 1 into 1, which means 141 into 1, 141. Right? Then we should do 142 into 2. So this 14 comes from this 14. And then you should do 0 into 0, 1 into 1, 2 into 2, which means 142 into 2. What is 142 into 2? This is 284. That is matching with this. So 142 into 2, which means 142 into 2. That gives you 284. So the remainder is 0. So what is the square root? The square root of this number. Therefore, the square root of the number 5184 is equal to 72. This is the answer. Right? Square root of 5184 is 72. Fine. So all of you can take the notes, pause the video and take the notes. Then we'll go to the next problem. Right? Square root of 63504. That is our third question. Third question is, find the square root of 63504 or 504. We have to find the square root of this number. 63504 using division method. We have to find the square root of the number using division method. Now again, what we'll do, we'll write this here, put a line here. Fine. So what the number that we have is, we have 63504. We have to solve, or we have to find the square root of this number using division method. Now 63504. Now what we should do, we should start pairing two numbers from right to left in this direction. So first to pair these two. So this one comma, again pair 2. So we should start pairing as two numbers from right to left in this direction. So first 4 and 0 comma, then 5 and 3 comma. Then this will be only one number, that is okay. Then what we should do now, we should start telling our square table. Right? So what, like the square table is 1 1s are 1. Or we have to start from 0. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. So 9 we cannot put because that exceeds 6. So we have to put 2 2s are 4. Then 6 minus 4 is 2. Then we should bring this 35 together. Both the numbers together. Don't bring only 3 alone. You have to bring the entire 35 down. And that is one pair. Then whatever number is here, you have to multiply that with 2. Right? So here we have 2, that into 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2 to the 4. So whatever number is here, that should be multiplied by 2. So here we had 7 and then we multiplied with 7, we got 14. Right, here 2, so 2 into again 2 is 4. Then we should do, once you get this 4, we should start trying 4 0 into 0, 0. This is your 4. Then 41 into 1 is 41. Right, then we should do 42 into 2 is 84. Right, then 43 into 3. Right, 9, 12, 129. Then 44 into 4 gives you 176. Then 45 into 5. How much is that? 25, 5 carry 2, 20, 22. Then we should try 46 into 6 because we have to try till 235. It should not exceed 235. A number which is very close to 235. Now if you do the 6, 6 are 36, 6, 6 carry 3, 24, 27. Right? So which means this exceeds 235. This number exceeds 235. So we should take only this number which is 5 5s are. So 5 and then 5. You get 225. You have to put this. So now, so 45 into 5 is 225. Right? We cannot put this because this is exceeding 276 is exceeding 235. So we have to go to the number that is before 276, which is 225. So now if you subtract 5 minus 5 0, 3 minus 2 is 1. Then we should bring this 0 4 together down. Both together. 0 4 both should be brought down together. Then now we have to go to again the same thing. Here, whatever is the number here, that into 2. So we have 25 here. Then 25 into 2. You have to take the whole number, full number. So now what is 25 into 2? 50. So you write that 50 here. You write that 50 here. Then what we should do? We should try. This is 50 now. So 50. Then 0 into 0. Which means 500 into 0, 0. Then 50, 1 into 1, which means 501 into 1. Right? That is 501. Then we have to put 50, which is this 50, then 2 into 2, which means it is 502 into 2. What is 502 into 2? 1004. Now we got this 1004 here. So we must stop here and then put this 2, 502 into 2. So 2 and then 2. You get 1004. The remainder is 0. Therefore, what is the square root? The square root of 63504 is equal to 252. This number. So, we have found the square root of this number 63504 by division method. We have found the square root of the number 63504, which is 252 by division method. Fine. Now let's go to the next problem. Right? Fourth one. Square root of 298116. We have to find the square root of this number 298116. Right, now how do we find the square root of this number? Again, what we should put? We should start drawing that division. Right, you write this number 298116. Now first step is we have to start pairing them as 2 2. We will start pairing them as 2 2 from right to left in this direction. So first we will start pairing these two. So these two will become 6, then these two, comma, then again these two. Right, we have to start pairing 2 2 from right to left, from this direction, from right to left. Then after that we have 25. Then we should start telling our square table. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are 25. 6 6 are 36. We can't write 36 here because this is just only 29. So we can only put 5 5s are. So put 5 5s are. 5 5s are 25. Right? Then subtract. 29 minus 25 is 4. Then we must bring this 81 down. We must bring this 81 down. Right? So it has become 481. Then whatever number is here, whatever number is here, we have 5. That into 2 always. Whatever number is here, that into 2. Multiply that by 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 2. So 5 into 2. This 5 into 2 is 10. Then we should start trying 10. This is this 10. Then 0 into 0, which means 100 into 0. 0. Then 10. This is this 10. Then 1 into 1. 101. This is how we should do. Then 102 into 2. Don't put 101 into 2. Don't write like this. 101 into 1. Then don't put 101 into 2. 101 into 3. No. It should be 102 into 2. So these two numbers should match. This is 2. This is 2. This is 1. This is 1. Everywhere. 2, 2. 6, 6. 5, 5. Like that it should match. So 102 into 2 is how much? 204. But what we should get? 481. Till that we should then 103 into 3. That will be 309. Right? Then 104 into 4. That will be 416. That will be 416. But we need 481. So we'll try what is 105 into 5. 105 into 5 is 525. 105 into 5 is what? 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. 525. Right? Fine. Now we cannot put 525 because that is exceeding 481. So we have to go to the number before that, which is 416. 4 times. 104 into 4 is 416. So we should put 4 here and 4 here. Then write 416. Then we must subtract. So 1, so carry 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. 7 minus 1 is 6. So we get 65. Then we must bring this 16 down. Entire 16 will come down. So 16. Fine. So again, what we should do? We should take this number, whatever number is here, which is 54. This 54 should be multiplied by 2. What is 54 into 2? 108. Right? 54 into 2 is 108. So 108. 108. Then what we should try? I'll do that calculation here. What we must try now? We got 108. Then we should do 108 0 into 0. That is 0. 108 0. This 108 is this. How did you get this 108? 54 into 2. 54 into 2 is 108. Right? So 108. So then we should write 108. Then 0 into 0 0. Then 108 1 into 1 is 1081. Then 108 2 into 2. Which means it becomes 1082 into 2. Right? You get what? 4 to 16. Then 2 ones are 2. And we should get 6516. So again 2 108 3 into 3. Right? So 3 3s are 9. So we'll write 108 3 into 3. Which means 3 3s are 9. Which means 1083 into 3. Then 24. Then 3 ones are 3. Then again 108 4 into 4. Which means 108 4 into 4. Which means 1084 into 4. That is 4 4s are 16. 1 32 33. Then 4 ones are 4. Then again 1085 into 5. We have to do till we get 6516. Now 5 5s are 25. Carry 2. 5s are 40. 42. So 42. Then 5 ones are 5. Again 1086 into 6. 6 6 are 36. Carry 3. 6 8s are 48 plus 1 51. Carry 5. 6 into 0 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 6 ones are 6. Now we must stop here because we got 6 1 6 5 1 6. Which is this. So how many times? 6 times. 1086 into 6. 1086 into 6 means 6 into 6. Which is 6516. The remainder is 0. So therefore, what is the square root of this number? So therefore square root of 1086 is equal to 546. Therefore it is 546 is the square root of, sorry, not 1086. What am I writing? Sorry. My mistake. Therefore square root of the given number, not this one. Therefore the square root of 298116, that is equal to this 546. So 298116 square root is 546, which means if you multiply 546 into 546, you will get this number. So similarly here, if you do 252 into 252, you will get 63504. which that's why square root of 63504 is 252, or square of 252 is 63504. Similarly, if you do 72 into 72, you'll get 5184. Or if you find the square root of 5184, you get 72. So similarly, 24 into 24 will give you 576. So that's why square root of 576 is 24. Fine. So all of you can, I'm pausing the video. You can copy this. I assume you all have understood how to find square root of a number using division method. As you said, the first step is start pairing 2 from right to left. So here it is start pairing 7 and 6, then comma. So here 4 and 8, comma, then 5 and 1 and 5, comma. 51 and 84. This direction. That's why I put this arrow. Right? Again start pairing 4 0, comma, then 5 and 3, comma, then 6 or 1 will be there. Then again here 2 2, 6 and 1, comma, then 1 and 8, comma, then 9 and 2. So you have to come from the right side to left. Start pairing 2 2. Suppose if you have a big number, something like this, on square root of some big numbers, some 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, whatever, then you have to start pairing 2 2 2 like this, from right to left. You have to start pairing from right to left, then the normal method that you have to follow, whatever I explained. Fine. So all of you can take the notes. I am pausing the video. I will stop this session here. Hope you all know now how to find square root of a number using division method. You can watch my other videos to find square root of other numbers, also square root of finding the square root of these numbers using prime factorization method also. So thank you for watching. See you all in the next video. Thank you.